Do you want to integrate HubSpot with Salesforce? Follow these steps to do exactly that. So I've got HubSpot open here. We're on our homepage. I've also got Salesforce open. You, of course, need an account with both of these platforms. And on HubSpot, you're going to go up to the top ribbon over here. You'll look for this little marketplace icon and look for apps. This process is relatively simple. Once you are in apps, you are going to simply search for Salesforce. So let's go ahead, type in Salesforce. You can see it is the very first one here. Once we're in here, you can see top right, it'll say install app. Okay, so you need to install this app to integrate with Salesforce, but you do need to upgrade your plan. So the steps basically from here is just to give permissions from Salesforce and HubSpot so that they can integrate, and you'll be able to use Salesforce and HubSpot in one space. I hope this was helpful.